Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will discuss caption. What is caption and how we can insert table of figures. For this, first of all, I will take some data here like this. Suppose it is a document which contain some text. I will insert some picture here. So for this I will go to insert, click picture, my picture. It is one picture, it's caption. So with the help of caption button I can insert or I can give name to this picture or can give caption to this picture. I will write its name, chrysanthemum, like this. Now this caption we can place either below of this picture or at the top of the picture. For this we have to select it where we want to place this caption. So I am selecting below selected item, means this name will show here below this image. Next, here I place a caption desert, like this. Jellyfish. Logic, I inserted few pictures in this document. I place caption on every picture. So now we can place we can make a table of figures based on these captions. We will click on insert table of figures and here we will select template, which type of caption we want, which type of table of figures we want. I'm taking this. Now if you want to place line between these picture name and these page numbers, we can select which type of line we want and we will say OK. So this is the table of figures. If we press Ctrl and click on it, we will reach on that picture. As soon as we will press Ctrl and key, we will come at the end of document where we place this table of figure, like this. If you want to remove this hyperlink which is working in it, it indicates that this chrysanthemum is page 1 and desert at page 2 and jellyfish at page 4. One thing is to, first of all, I will insert one more picture here and I will give its name as koala. So this name is not present in this list, so we can update it also either by doing right click and from update fields, or we will click on update table, update entire table. That name is also will be added in this table. One thing is this. Second thing, if I delete this table and I go to again insert table of figures and I'm taking any one of the figures but close this option, then this table of figures will not work as hyperlink. Now if I press Ctrl and click, it will not work because it is not hyperlink now, it is just a table now. So this is the one thing that we can do with a table of figures. Now if we want to remove this label figure and their number 1 2 3, it is also possible. For this, while inserting a table of figure, I will say include labels and number of, means now it will show only figure name and their page number, not name, like this. So these are the variation with which we can work One more thing is this: if we say show page number, so it will show page number, but as soon as this feature is off, page number will be invisible. If we say right align page number will come to the left align like this. It will just nearby to the label. So all these customization we can do from here if we want. All these customization, if we close this option, so it will remove hyperlink and so on, as I explained. All these customization we can do from here. So it is the concept how we can insert table of figure. I think all of the things related to this topic I have explained, but still then if something is left, you can ask me through comment. And I think this video will be more helpful for you. If it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.